Hello, today we're going to demonstrate the XBrain Developer Portal. The Developer Portal allows you real-time access to the sessions between the XBrain platform applications and the server backend itself. The first thing I'll do is I'll click here on the console. The console is a real-time display of all of the virtual servers and each associated agents that are running on the XBrain platform. You'll see right now I have one virtual server running. It's the IIS 11 pre-prod server. In that server are two virtual agents. You'll see the green circle with the number 2 in it is the number of online agents. There are currently 0 offline agents, and there are 4 sessions associated with these 2 agents. Below that is a quick indication of CPU load. You can see that we are very CPU light, and we don't use all that much memory either. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on GoPad and choose the GoPad English agent. This is a quick display again of the 4 sessions that are running and the amount of CPU load associated with it. There are some agent controls as well, allowing you to stop, start, and restart the agent, and even back it up and set it to auto restart in the case of an error. Below that is a real-time log display. These are log messages being generated by the server, so you can get a quick insight into how your server is doing. In the tab 2 over are the Files section. Now the Files section allows you to dig down into all of the configuration files that comprise a virtual agent. So I could choose, for example, logs, choose the logs, 2015 logs, May. Each of these text files is a log file set that's been used by and generated by our server. The third thing I'll show is the session handler. I'll connect to the current session. Now, then I'll select my own session here. This is real-time insight into what the client application is doing in talking to the server. For example, I'll generate some traffic.
Yes.
What is the weather today?
Accessing the weather forecast right now. It is 58 degrees in Los Gatos right now. Overcast clouds.
You'll see here in real time the request I made, the output from the ASR, the confidence level, and a little further down, status message is saying it's accessing the foreign weather service. The information it sent to the service, the location, the latitude and longitude, and the text it got back as well. So you can see you have real-time access to exactly what the system is doing and how your clients are interacting with it. Now we can go a little bit further than that. If I click the trips area and choose one of my sessions, you can see this is a trip I took recently that the GPS in the phone has logged into our system. Now the great part about this is the interactions are logged with it, so you can see all of the requests I made of the system along the way, and it will tag it to the location where the request was made. We've done some interesting debugging using this tool by being able to determine spots of inconsistent network connectivity and how they map to problems with the system recognizing our voice so we can institute workarounds. This is a great example of how the deep and real-time introspection afforded by our portal allows us to build the most stable and capable applications for our customers possible. This was a quick overview of the XBrain Developer Console.